At today's meeting, we received results of an internal evaluation of the CBC that was completed 2 weeks ago. I'm happy to note that indicators of the evaluation based on the evaluation report have shown good results. Although with every good result, obviously, there is room for improvement. Some of the key findings from the preliminary report tabled today are the following. The first is that our overall quality of CBC implementation based on international benchmarks is 56%. The minimum threshold set out for global standards for such an exercise is 50%. This means that our quality of implementation during this pilot phase is currently 5 percentage points above the international benchmark. The actual teacher assessment feedback based on our learners' achievement is currently at 50%. The quality of learning environment and support for CBC stands at 62%. The quality of learning and teaching currently also stand at 62%. The Ministry wishes to triangulate our internal CBC pilot findings with other international experts. As a result, we have commissioned an external evaluation to generate comparative findings on our state of preparedness for a full CBC rollout. We have done all that is humanly possible to ensure that we have an exam process that has the integrity at the levels that we expect them to have. We want to assure parents and students that everything has been done to make sure that their children are safe in the schools and that the exams are conducted well. Now, you also heard that there are some schools that are currently under surveillance. Yeah? Those schools will continue to be under surveillance.